Preparing eggs for someone with acid reflux.
Eggs can be a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. However, for individuals with acid reflux, certain cooking methods and ingredients can trigger discomfort. In this video, we will discuss some recommended ways to prepare eggs for someone with acid reflux.
What is acid reflux?
Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing heartburn, chest pain, and other unpleasant symptoms. It's essential to choose cooking methods and ingredients that minimize the risk of triggering these symptoms.
What are the best cooking methods for eggs when dealing with acid reflux?
Soft boiling. Soft boiling is an ideal method as it requires minimal fat and produces a tender egg. Poaching. Poaching eggs in water or broth is gentle on the stomach and doesn't require any added fats. Scrambling. Scramble eggs with a small amount of non-dairy milk or water to keep them light and fluffy, and avoid adding too much fat.
What ingredients should be avoided when preparing eggs for someone with acid reflux?
Spices and seasonings. Avoid spicy seasonings, such as chili powder and hot sauce, which can trigger acid reflux. Opt for milder flavorings like parsley, chives, or dill. Fatty ingredients. Butter, heavy cream, and cheese can exacerbate acid reflux symptoms. Use non-dairy milk, olive oil, or cooking spray instead. Acidic ingredients. Tomatoes, citrus fruits, and vinegar can also cause discomfort. Replace these with milder options, like avocado, spinach, or a light vinaigrette made with lemon juice and olive oil.
What are some egg recipes suitable for someone with acid reflux?
1. Poached eggs over steamed vegetables. Serve poached eggs on top of steamed vegetables like asparagus, green beans, or zucchini, and season with fresh herbs. 2. Egg and veggie scramble. Combine scrambled eggs with mild vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, and mushrooms for a tasty and reflux-friendly meal. 3. Soft-boiled eggs with whole grain toast. Enjoy a soft-boiled egg with a slice of whole grain toast, using a small amount of olive oil or avocado as a spread. Preparing eggs for someone with acid reflux doesn't have to be complicated. By using gentle cooking methods and avoiding triggering ingredients, you can create delicious and satisfying egg dishes that won't cause discomfort.